Let's make some creme brulee donuts. They're fluffy and light with a delicious custard filling. We're going to activate some yeast by adding some yeast to some warm water and honey or sugar and letting it sit for about 10 minutes until it rises. Then in a large bowl, we're going to add all-purpose flour, some honey or sugar, salt, an egg, our yeast mixture, some milk, and some butter, and form that into a smooth dough. Place the dough in a bowl and grease the top with some oil and place a towel over it and allow it to rise in a warm location for about an hour or two. Then we're going to roll out our dough until it's 1/8 of an inch thick and cut out our donuts, then allow them to rest again for about 10 minutes. Then in some oil over medium heat, we're going to fry the donuts 3 to 4 minutes per side until they're golden. Then in a pan over medium-high heat, add some sugar and water and let it start to bubble. Then reduce the heat to medium until the mixture turns a light golden color. Then remove from heat and it's going to turn into a deep golden color. Immediately dip the donuts in the brulee mixture and let the top harden. Then I added some store-bought custard in the middle of the donuts and enjoy!
These Nutella cookie sandwiches are so good. The cookies are like soft fudgy brownie cookies and they're filled with vanilla buttercream. You only need 4 main ingredients to make the cookies and they're super quick and easy. If you don't want to use Nutella, you can always use another chocolate spread. They're a little messy when you roll them, but stick with it, they'll turn out perfectly. For the icing, make sure the butter is soft, then gradually whisk in the icing sugar. Add vanilla and a splash of milk, then pipe it onto the cooled cookies, make a sandwich with another cookie, and that's it. Enjoy!